Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the incredible benefits of walking and how it can truly transform your life. So, let's dive right in. Did you know that walking is one of the simplest and most effective ways to improve your overall health and well-being? It's a low-impact exercise that can be done by almost anyone, regardless of age or fitness level. Walking has been shown to improve cardiovascular health, strengthen bones, and even boost your mood. It's a great way to manage stress and anxiety, and it's been proven to be an effective tool in the fight against depression. But that's not all. Walking can also help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce your risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease, and even improve your sleep quality. Now, I know what you're thinking, but walking is so boring. Well, I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be. There are so many ways to make walking more enjoyable and engaging. For example, you could try a new route each time you go for a walk, or even explore a new area in your city. You could also listen to your favorite podcast or audiobook while you walk, or even turn it into a social activity by walking with a friend or family member. Remember, walking is not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about taking care of your body, mind, and soul. It's about creating a healthy lifestyle that you can sustain for years to come. So, what are you waiting for? Lace up your shoes, put on your favorite playlist, and hit the pavement. Your body will thank you for it. And that's a wrap, folks. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Remember, walking is a simple yet powerful tool that can transform your life. So, get out there and start walking today. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and keep walking.